Kuthula bandla nomfana kagama lona. Guys, whoa. Okay, it's been a minute. I know, but there's a reason. There's a reason. Sanibonani. Umfana kagama lo. Guys, I don't know. I'm happy. At the same time, I'm still shocked. I don't know how to feel. I don't even know how to react. Just so today, as you guys can see, I'm gonna reaction. Specifically, it's because it is this channel's 1 year birthday. So, guys, a year ago today, I started this YouTube channel. A year ago today, I started this YouTube channel, and as of E4 Zaga February 2025, started off with 0 subscribers. Today we are running at 725. I need to understand it. 720. There's 725 people that have hit the subscribe button and are watching my content, watching my Zion content. And today I just wanted to do a thank you video as well. You know, a thank you video as well. Just to give a brief story, about a year ago, beginning of the year, I was having a conversation with one of my uncles. I was telling him about Zion going in a different space and Zion going into a different direction and Zion growing. All right. And I was like to him, because I was like, dude, listen to what I'm saying. Kala a YouTube channel. Start the YouTube channel for your church, because I feel like right now Zion is heading in a different direction. That was last year. And I showed him other churches as well. Believers, Blessings at the time. I think Believers ne blessing near river. I think near river. And SARS in which other churches. And I said to him, bro, start a YouTube channel, because I mean that's the best way to do everything, because we're talking about a lot of things at the time. So the YouTube idea came in, and I said to him, Uzayoni is at the clash of evolution. All right, Zion is going to a space where change is necessary, because the conversation stemmed from CDs potentially dying as Zion. And now it was like, how can we get the message out there? I was like, the first thing you can do is YouTube. And then it's Katmasia, you'll understand Eraser. That is other social digital platform for music, incentives, royalties, basically how to make money off your product. Let's get on YouTube channel. Yes, it's the first step. He was a bit hesitant. I was like, nah, I don't think so. I said to him, look, I'm gonna start a channel as Zion, and I'll push it for a year. And in a year, I'll probably come back and show him the results. I know you're gonna see this video. This one, I know you're gonna see it. This is my feedback. Also, it was also a channel not only to show that Zion is growing, but a channel to also inspire other people to look at things that people don't necessarily see. For instance, no one was doing what I'm doing before I started it in the Zion space. Now I think there's like 2 or 3 of us doing it, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm happy for that, because that's what I want. I wanted people to look at other creative ideas they can put in when it comes to Zion. I understand, and not just a video and you know, because when you look at other YouTube channel about more Zion, our not more Zion, our Zion Music, Zion Nation, Very Production, Indoni Production. They are doing an amazing job. That I will never take away from those guys, because if it wasn't for those guys with all their YouTube channels and Amanyama Band that have their own YouTube channel, this channel wouldn't exist, because I solely depend on that type of content. So each content as a Zion, it gives birth to a newer content, right? Them posting imlindelo, umculo, imshado, yonke lento leyo has given birth to this channel. Because of their channels and their dedication and their hard work, I was able to discover churches that I've never heard of. I was able to expose people to newer things, because people only see this, but when they come to my channel, babone reaction, baba another thing, okay, which bandla is this? Until which ministry is this? And then when a person wants to see that church separately, there is a link in my description below, which makes it easier for the person who's watching to be like, okay, cool. When I'm done with this reaction, I'm gonna go check it out. The number of people I've met because of this channel, the number of changes I've made because of this channel, the impact that I've had because of this channel, it wouldn't have been possible without you viewers at home, without you guys supporting this channel. Navumela nje umfana out of nowhere uJupiter nje ayithandela nje yazoba wow, but I show speed waseZion to come in and to introduce something, and the way you guys accepted it and said, okay, cool, we see what you're doing, I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. And as Peleli Lakpela, also got a chance now. I'm also working with Engaging Life, as you guys can see some of the videos, and we also created a new segment as well. Sibizange More Zion question. There we dissect questions. We're just trying to make it more fun. I mean, Zion is just not too serious, but people must see that Zion can also have fun and all. And of course, there are also other ideas as well. A lot of ideas that I'm still going to pop up there and work with more people, do more work, get to know other churches as well. So I just want to say that Nyabonga kakhulu for support, man. I don't know where I would be without this. As I'm looking at this, even the numbers are crazy right now, and I just want to just be grateful for everyone who has made it possible to work with me. Just want to say that without you guys, this channel wouldn't be what it is today, and Uzayoni Nayo as a whole, I don't know how I don't know where I would have been without that. There's still more churches that I haven't discovered. There's still more visitations from other churches. Hey guys, it's insane. It's insane. And I just want to say that the page is growing. It's growing very nicely and steady as well. So remember guys, the plan is for Uzayonu to get back on radio like it used to be. The plan is for people Zayonu to make living off Uzayon at the end of the day. People must be able to make a living out of their voices. People must be able to make a living out of their faces. There's a lot of things that we can do with Spaces Zion. Maybe not now, but I guarantee you 10, 15 years down the line, Zion will be so good that whoever comes at that time, uzohlala phansi and be like, why not Zion? I am telling you. Also, there's a lot of things we're still trying to get out there. Some ideas I don't want to say them, but there's a lot of things. But then come 15 years down the line, there will be more than what you see today. And I trust and believe when I say so. There is more ideas cooking. There is another segment, of course, Enjoy Eda Anja, and this one I'm really, really excited about it, because it's going to be something that's going to cultivate people and actually see more, because all I care about is people just being out there. That's all. And also a big shout out to a lot of churches, bro. I would say big shout out to Cross. Big shout out to Amanzok Pila. Big shout out to Valley of Hope Family Church. Shout out to Revival Catholic Ministry. Shout out to Believers, and shout out to the Holy Ghost Apostolic uh, in Zion International. Shout out to those churches. Shout out to Galile as well. Shout out, yo, bruh. That's why I get the churches. If I had to shout out people's names, I ain't get there. And then go by one thing spanana on the regular, Pastor Chris, Pastor Mbata, Uncle Savo Mama, Pastor Klundo as well. They are also people that have been pushing me on the sides. Some days where things were just like a lot for me to handle, they were there. I understand that they are amazing people. And one thing engizoyisho guys ukuthi Zion needs a lot of creativity. Yes, nonkulunkulu something, but engikwazi ngazi ukuthi God didn't just put us here to just be pass-bys kuphela, but we also have to leave an impact. So I know there will be someone watching this video and be like, I want to start something as Zion, but they scared. All I'm gonna say is just go for it. Uzayoni will give you a space to be creative as long as that thing is positive. It will give you a space for it, learn, and also be patient. Anyway, Zalwan Puzetilam. In the favorite of food, Mr. Chupa happening. I'm signing out. Adios.